Is your Fire Stick not responding? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check the remote batteries. Ensure that the batteries in your remote are fresh. The Fire Stick remotes use Bluetooth, which can drain batteries faster than standard remotes. Replace the batteries if they are old or depleted. Now check if you can turn on the Fire Stick and it is responding. Method 2. Restart your Fire Stick. The simple step can often resolve temporary glitches and bugs responsible for the issue. So, turn off the Fire Stick and unplug it from the main power source. Wait for a couple of minutes and then re-plug everything and turn on the device. If the issue persists, go to the next solutions. Method 3. Restart your Wi-Fi router. If the Fire Stick is having connectivity issues, restarting your Wi-Fi router can sometimes resolve the problem. Unplug the router, wait for about a minute, and then plug it back in. Method 4. Check the adapter. Make sure you use the proper power adapter for your Fire Stick. They need a 5-volt high-quality power adapter. Anything less or more can cause electrical issues. So use the correct power adapter to connect the device. Also, check the adapter for any physical damage. In case of any doubt, you can replace the old adapter and buy a new one. Method 5. Unplug the extensions and connected devices. If you have connected any extensions to the Amazon Fire Stick, unplug them. These extensions can be the reason why the Fire Stick screen is flickering. So, unplug the Fire Stick from the extensions and connect it directly to the wall outlet. Check if the issue is fixed. If your device has more than one HDMI slot and you have connected gaming controls or other devices, unplug them. These devices can be responsible for the issue. So unplug them, restart your device and see if this could fix the issue. Method 6. Check connections. Ensure that the Fire Stick is properly connected to the HDMI port of your TV or device. If necessary, try a different HDMI port or check if the TV or the device is set to the correct input source. If the cable used to connect the Fire Stick is damaged, then this can cause the Fire Stick to randomly restart. So, check the cable for any physical damage and replace it if needed. If the Fire Stick restarts after this, move on to the next solution. Method 7. Check the HDMI port. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely plugged into both the Fire Stick and your TV or device. Try using a different HDMI port on your TV or a different HDMI cable and check if this works. Sometimes due to faulty HDMI port, you can have an unresponsive Fire Stick. Method 8. Use HDMI extender. You can use a HDMI extender. A Fire Stick HDMI extender is a small device that extends the range of your Fire Stick by allowing you to plug it into the extender, which then connects to your TV's HDMI port. It acts like an extension cord for your Fire Stick, making it easier to access and use. If your TV is mounted in a way that doesn't provide enough clearance, or if the HDMI ports are too close together, using the extender can give you more flexibility in positioning your Fire Stick. So, use it when you are having an unresponsive Fire Stick and see if this can fix it up. Method 9. Update the software. If you can access Fire Stick settings, then you should update the Fire Stick software. If the issue is happening due to some bugs, then updating the software can fix it. Check for recent updates and they can provide bug fixes that can resolve the issue. To update the software, open Settings. Select My Fire TV, then select About. Select Check for updates. Method 10. Reset the Fire TV stick. If none of the methods shown here works, you can try resetting your factory Stick to its factory settings. This will erase all data and settings, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Next, select Reset to Factory Defaults. Select Reset to confirm your action and let the resetting process complete. Once the resetting process is complete, set it up and the problem should be fixed. And there you have it. The ways to fix the issue when Fire Stick is unresponsive. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.